Hi everyone, welcome back to Berindica. In our channel, we share with you tips about food and places to go here in Barrie, Ontario, Canada and beyond. And today we are here at Centra, an Asian food market in Barrie. I'm gonna bring you with me and show you everything different that you can find here. So let's go. I always come first in this section here with hot deals. So they have some pre-made dishes. So this macaroni salad, quinoa, some sushis ready, fried tofu, some Korean dishes, and some fruits. One thing that I love about Centra is they have really fresh products. So look at the size of these strawberries. They're really big comparing to the other supermarkets that we go. They also have pre-cut fruits here. Oh, look at the size of this blackberry. It's also super big. And they have some fruits that we don't find easily in other supermarkets. So these ones are going to my card along with this one. I love strawberries and this looks super delicious. This is another example of fruits that I only find here. Is jackfruit. It's not so popular here in Canada and they have it here. Another thing that I love to buy here is papaya. Today they are not on sale, so it's $4.99 per papaya, but sometimes you can buy 2 for $5. So the fruits are here, but if you go down here, they put some on sale. So for example, here we have mangoes, more sweet papaya, and on the other side, you can see more fruits here. I'm bringing this one home with me too. I started with fruits. I've been trying to find coconut and coconut water inside the coconut for a while, and my friend told me that here we can find, so I'm bringing 2 of these home so we can try as well. Something that I love to buy here and I can only find here, I couldn't find it any other grocery store here in Barrie, is shimeji. So this is a popular mushroom that we used to eat in Japanese restaurants in Brazil, and we missed a lot. So here we can buy and make it at home. If you like to be practical in the kitchen, they also have these bags with garlic already peeled off, ready to be consumed. Now my next stop will be in the herbs section. I'm gonna buy some onions, green onions, and let me show you how they put all the seasoning and herbs together. So starting from here, you have a lot of peppers, kale, all the leaves. You have basil here, but I'm looking for for green onions, so I'll buy one of these and shop it. I love this bean sprouts, so you can fill a bag here with bean sprout. Here you have peanuts, more veggies, and this one, it's also something I usually buy. It's good for the hair, so I usually just open it and take all the thing inside and make some masks. This is aloe vera. Another thing that we can find here is bok choy. So if you are preparing some noodles, ramen, yakisoba, this is good for your recipe. So they have here all kinds and sizes. So this is the green one, this is more white. They have different options here. They also have cassava here. This is something that we are used to eat a lot in Brazil, and so they have here as well. And moving here to the next one, we have bananas, and here the potatoes. So they have a lot of different types. We have the Korean sweet potato, Hawaiian potato. Look how many different sweet potatoes there is. Now, if you love Asian food, this part is for you. So I'm gonna show you tofus and noodles. So this is not something that we used to cook at home, but if you like, see how many options here. So miso, tofu, And here we can find the noodles. So here are some options. Noodles, all sizes. This one is more dark. This one is like, I think this is the rice one. We also have here some buns. They also have a fish food section. So everything is freshly cut. You can buy fish here and also meat. And in the meat section, you can find all parts. So for example, this is pork kidney. This is pork liver, but also the traditional cuts, so the loin, we have ribs here, more ribs there, so everything for your barbecue you can find here. Pork belly sliced. Here we have a whole duck. And also, if you're Brazilian, we are used to eat chicken heart for barbecue. I never saw this here before, just here at Centra Food Market. So all Brazilians I know here in Barrie, they used to come here to buy chicken hearts for barbecue. I can easily spend here hours just looking all the halls to know what is new, discover new things, try new flavors. So I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, give a thumbs up and let's continue. I'm here now in the frozen section. So we have some wontons, dumplings pre-made, so you just need to fry them. And one thing that I love is these mozzarella sticks. So it's a crispy potato corn dog with mozzarella inside. But now they're selling these mozzarella cheese balls. Now I'm in the sweet part and look what I found. Melona! I love this ice cream. It's delicious. If you haven't tried yet, this is your chance. They have more flavors here. I'm not sure I tried before, maybe banana, but they have now coconut. And oh, melon is my favorite one. And speaking about boba, look what I found here, and I'm gonna try. This is watermelon with boba inside. Can you see? I'm gonna try this one. Here in the back of the market, there's also a place for you to buy pre-made food. So there behind, there's sushi, sashimi, and other hot dishes. And here on the side, you can find the sale part. So I'm gonna bring home this bean sprout fried noodles for $6.99 just to complement our meal today. Every time we ate Japanese food at home, Guy loves to put this ginger in his food, so I'm bringing one home too. There are other seasonings, different seasonings, but this is the one, I think this is the traditional one. This is the one that he likes the most. And if you can see, there are the food that they are selling ready to eat. You will also find here some utensils that will help you to make your sushi at home. So we have this sushi mat, we have this tray here to help you build your own sushi. We have wasabi, other sauces, roasted sesame. You can find everything here, and also some kitchenware. So there's some bowls, the spoon, super Japanese traditional. More options here. And on the side of the halls, you can find all the clearance products. So we have some here and more there on the side. Look what I found here. Other milk that we love. Now I'm in the noodle hall. I'm gonna show you how many options they have. And it's good because sometimes when you wanna buy a noodle, for example at Costco, it just sells in big packages. And here you can pick one of each to try. Not only Asian food that they sell here. So for example, this pasta is from Italy. So you can always find some different products for other countries here at Centra. For example, here we have also some sauces that are Italian, just because they are part of the noodle hall. They put both together. Now we are heading to one of my favorite parts, the drinks. So here you can find from Mexican to Asian drinks, all sort of drinks. So starting here with jarritos. This is Mexican. We have Jamaican. What else? Oh, I'm gonna show you this one. I love it. So this has some basil seeds on it. It's super fun to drink. It tastes delicious. I usually buy lychee, that I love. Pomegranate, and also love. Oh, they don't have many flavors today, but I tried some and I loved all of them. They have more here. Oh, this with the grape inside, I also tried before. They have a lot of bubble teas ready to drink. Oh, there's more flavors here. So here we have blueberry and orange. Now I'm checking some notice to make our sushi at home. There's a lot of options. This one is more like a snack, as the person can see here. Or maybe you just crack on top of your food. But we want this sheet here so we can build temaki or sushi. And this is a golden tip for you. If you like that sweet sauce to eat with sushi or in your Asian food, this is the one. So it's ABC sweet soy sauce. We tried a lot. In Brazil, we used to call this tare sauce, and this is it. We tried a lot, so I'm so happy that I finally found it. Whoa, with that, we finished our tour here at Centra Food Market, an Asian market in Barrie. They also have a location in Aurora and North York. So if you're close to one of these locations, or if you're visiting one of these cities, make sure to stop by. I hope you enjoyed all the new products that I show you on this video. If you like, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and see you in our next adventure. Ciao!